Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson this time is about offering, accepting, and refusing. We will learn about how to make an offer, how to accept it, or to refuse it. First, let us learn about making an offer. Offer is alok in Filipino. Here are examples of offering something to another person. Do you want? Gusto mo? Do you want water? Gusto mo ng tubig? Do you want more? Gusto mo pa? First thing I would like to note is that the word you here is mo in Filipino. But you might remember that in a previous lesson, we used a different word for you. We used ka for you. And in this lesson, we use mo for you. We will have a specific lesson on the different ways that we say the word you in Filipino. But for now, I will say that in this example, we use mo because the other person will be the one who will receive what is being offered. So let us continue looking at our new words. The word want is gusto. We do not use an equivalent to the word do here because it is enough to say gusto mo. Let us look at that second sentence. Do you want water? Gusto mo ng tubig? Water is tubig. The word ng, which is highlighted in green, is added. In Filipino, we use ng to connect words together. In this case, to connect gusto to the object being offered, which is tubig. You will also find in future lessons that ng has more uses. Let us look at the third sentence. Do you want more? Is gusto mo pa? More is pa. Just like ng, you will also find in future lessons that pa has more uses. Next, how do we accept something that is being offered to us? So accept is tanggap in Filipino. The simplest way to accept an offer is to use words that we have learned in our previous lessons. We can simply say thanks, salamat po, or yes, oo, opo. Now, let us look at other ways to accept an offer using new words. I want, gusto ko. I want water. Gusto ko po ng tubig. A little only. Konti lang po. What are our new words here? I is ko. Little is konti. Only is lang. So these are the different ways we can accept an offer in Filipino. Now, how do we refuse an offer in Filipino? Refuse is tanggi in Filipino. Tanggi. Again, we can use words which we have learned in previous lessons to answer what is being offered. We can simply say no, thanks. Hindi, salamat po. Now let us look at other ways to accept an offer using new words. I don't want. Ayaw ko po. I don't want water. Ayaw ko po ng tubig. What are the new words here? Don't want is ayaw. I don't want is ayaw ko po. Here is an illustration using our new words. The boy said, "Do you want?" offering a sandwich to the girl. The girl answers, "No thanks." Here is the Filipino version. Gusto mo? Hindi, salamat. Here is another illustration with a little bit more words. The boy asks, "Do you want food?" The girl answers, "Yes, I want food." And in Filipino, gusto mo ng pagkain? Oo, gusto ko ng pagkain. Food is pagkain. Here is another version. The boy said, "Do you want food?" The girl answers, "Yes, a little only." Here is the Filipino version. Gusto mo ng pagkain? Oo, konti lang. Here is another version. The boy said, "Do you want food?" The girl answers, "No, I don't want food." Here is the Filipino version. Gusto mo ng pagkain? Hindi, ayaw ko ng pagkain. Let us look again at the new words that we have learned. New words, mga bagong salita. An offer is alok. To accept is tanggap. Refuse is tanggi. Let us look at more new words that we have learned. Do you want is gusto mo. I want is gusto ko po. I don't want, ayaw ko po. A little only, konti lang po. Now I am going to give you some more new words which you can use to practice when offering something or accepting or refusing an offer. Food is pagkain. Drink is inumin. Sweets is matamis. Toy, laruan. Help, tulong. Food, pagkain. Drink, inumin. Sweets, matamis. Toy, laruan. Help, tulong. That's it for this lesson about offering, accepting, and refusing. As a homework, try practicing sentences in which you offer, accept, or refuse. And also, try using the new words that I have given you. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye.
Bye!